Hey everyone, we are back with candid conversations in and around California FBC's resurgence. Today we have two very special guests, and I am going to let them introduce themselves because their resumes are lengthy.
How you guys doing? I'm Britton Kelly, affectionately known as Coach BK, player development trainer, college coach, just working on the game from youth all the way up to pros.
Hello everybody, my name is Jared Mix, and my background has been just playing this game for years through college, HBCU graduate, Grambling State. Got into coaching very early with the college and high school level programs as a men's basketball coach for 6 years on the varsity level. Prior to that, I trained for 6 years locally in the community that I grew up in, and now currently have four children that are also heavily involved in basketball. I'm just excited to be a part of FBC by way of my good friend Larry Golar, who I actually had the privilege to train his daughter that went on to play Division I. And I just want to bring details and be able to be a part of a program that wants young ladies to excel in all areas of life. And so that's what I'm excited about, and having the opportunity of coaching at FBC.
So I think you touched on it a little bit, but BK, can you talk just a little bit about how you got involved with kind of this resurgence and what you're excited about from what you've seen so far?
Absolutely. So I train a lot of the local players here, or former players from the SoCal area, the Inland Empire to be exact. And I've trained some FBC alumni, some WNBA players like Rebecca Gardner, Jillian Allian. It's a lot, you know, just as far as just my impact in the game and just my passion for the women's game. So that's kind of how I originally got attached with the group, and then having some of the current players from the Inland Empire that are high level athletes that have gone on to college, just having my feet on the ground right now with the youth and with the high school group. So just being able to kind of bring a breath of fresh air with this resurgence, that, as we're calling it, with the FBC brand, and just being a part of a national powerhouse and the relaunch here on the West Coast is something I couldn't pass up.
Awesome. And then I think another question would just be, so what do you see your impact being directly on these young women? You're both family men, and I know that's been really important to Larry, but just talk about how you plan on impacting the young women in the program.
For me, I have two daughters myself, and just, you know, women empowerment, like a lot of these young women have a lot to offer to the world, and being able to bring it out through sport, whether it be their confidence, them networking, them learning how to, you know, persevere through different things, is just a blessing to be a part of that, part of development for young women, especially. So I would just love to be a part of the, you know, the fundamental blocks that help these young women move on, you know, 20, 30 years after the ball stops bouncing.
Absolutely, and I share the same sentiment. To me, basketball should be a tool to really help drive a person's personal life, to be able to reach any accomplishments and goals that they personally have. But the main thing is just to be able to take basketball and apply it to life skills. So like my good friend said here, just really trying to build the life skills, just really try to build the perseverance, the confidence, hard work, and be able to take this game and be able to allow it to help them get to the career fields that they so choose. That's what I personally think most basketball players should use this game for, as a launching board to propel to a career that they so choose.
That's awesome. So as you can see, the resurgence is continuing to build. Larry and Mo are surrounding the women with amazing and phenomenal leaders, and we are excited to see their impact as well as see the resurgence take place. Keep watching, keep up with us, follow us. We'll see you soon.